Whew. Oh man, I got a feeling it's morning. Well, get my shirt on, all buttoned up, standing down here, my bare feet on the ground. Sandy, a little rocky, not too bad. My brain's a little foggy. Man alive, I slept so good. What's my temperature here? Oh. Whoa. No, I haven't been drinking or anything. Oh, man. So the temperature here is right on the nose of 40 degrees. I gotta say, though, sleeping in this hammock thing here is just awesome. I mean, it's so comfortable. It's just crazy. Man, you sleep so good. And to think this is really a poncho that I can put in a hammock mode or a tarp mode or whatever, you know. All right. Got this wood here. Lay that in. Then the heat of the fire, the heat of what's left over is down in there. So what I want to do is just kind of work that down in there. Collecting scraps from around my wood pile. There's some little odds and ends that have broken off and stuff. Now, you know, I love the sight of the smoke wafting up into the air. Nothing I did on my part but throw some sticks on there. I love watching it. Oh, there we go. There's our first. There's our first flames right here on this end. Well, the fire has begun. The day is officially started because the campfire is going. So for breakfast today, I'm going to do something a little different. I think it'll be fun for you. I'm kind of in the mood. You know, I've been on this kick of French toast, sourdough, different things like that. Well, I'm going to do French toast waffles today. So I've got this, our daughter Celeste gave me this one year for, so it's a cast iron waffle iron. It's designed to go on a fire or stove or whatever. So I'm going to do French toast waffles today. And it's going to be awesome. Alright, so I had a pretty good fire going here today. I'm going to shove all that underneath that waffle iron there. Let that thing get heated up. Put a little oil in it. Get her ready and we're going to rock and roll here. Well, here's my egg mix. I didn't even bother to put cinnamon in it this time. This is some sourdough bread I've got left over. I just need to use it. But I'm going to do it right here like this. That griddle might be too hot. I don't know. It's probably pretty hot. So I'm kind of serious. You can cook whatever you want on the campfire. Now there we go. French toast from... There we go. French toast from sourdough bread over the campfire. That ain't a bad thing, I'm telling you what. Very easy to do. Slap us another one on there. I could probably almost get two of them, but that's all right. This is gonna be so good. I might have gone too long. I got That's my problem. Oh no, not really. A little bit of that around the edges burns just because that's all there is. There we go. I know that's a big, thick pat of butter right there, right? Well, I'm going to split that between several waffles. So the way you turn this over, there's a little ball that goes in that cup right there. So you just grab the handles and you just flip it over like that. And then it indexes in that little notch right there. That's it. I mean, it's pretty simple. Well, welcome to my dining room. Time for breakfast here. A bit of log cabin syrup and all this stuff. Oh, it's going to be good. French toast waffles out of sourdough. So good. Love it. That's pretty good because the outsides are nice and kind of crunchy. And that pat of butter on there with the sourdough flavor, and oh my gosh, I'm in heaven. Well, I am. Look, this right here, that's my dining room. What's not heavenly about that, for crying out loud? Who else has this for their dining room? Pretty darn nice, if you ask me. Life is good. I was going to hit the spot. I'm going to go do some riding here on the tote goat and explore some new country. New to me. This is pretty old country.